So this will be a quick video for you guys. Now, I don't know of a lot of people that have had issues with aftermarket assemblies like headlights, taillights, stuff like that for your car. When you buy one for like a halogen bulb car, no problem. And I've done that many times, had no problems with it. However, our 07 DTS is back. I did a video on it for headlight and I deleted it because I wasn't happy with it. But here we have an aftermarket headlight assembly. The ballast is bad. We've determined the ballast is bad, did grounds check, all that stuff. As you can see, here's the screw holes, 2 of the 3 screw holes, the other one's in the back, for the aftermarket ballast, which is about the size of a credit card. Now, on my table, I will show you what the OEM ballast looks like. Because I figured, you know, we could go ahead and change the ballast on this thing and send it home. Not really. I'm dropping the phone. Can't really do that because, as you can see, here's our OEM ballast. Screw hole 1, screw hole 2, screw hole 3. On the aftermarket ballast, the screw holes are back here. Other thing of note, this one is a lot bigger. This is your factory original. As you can see, it's got the bulb numbers on it, the D2S, D2R, D1S, D1R. That's all your bulb trade numbers for your HID bulb you need for this car right here. So I guess the takeaway from this little short video is, as much as it would be to spend $400 less and get an aftermarket headlight, don't do it. Take the extra out, spend $1,000, buy the original headlight if you have to buy one, because the original headlight from GM takes that ballast, and then if you have a ballast blowout, you spend $450 for a new ballast, put it in your headlight, and get down the road. You don't have to go through the headache that I'm about to go through with my customer, because now I've got to tell him of the situation, and hopefully we can get this wrapped up. But anyway, I don't know what I'm going to call this video other than maybe think twice about buying aftermarket headlights. I think that's a good title. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Be careful out there.